What if I told you there's a factory-built car so outrageously fast it was officially banned? Banned from drag racing the moment it was born. Not a heavily modified tuner car, but a street-legal monster you could buy right off the showroom floor. This isn't science fiction. This is the astonishing story of the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. In 2018, Dodge did something that bordered on insanity. They looked at their 707 horsepower Hellcat, a car that already shredded tires for breakfast, and said, "That's cute. Let's get serious." The result was the Demon, a car built with a single, brutal purpose: to dominate the quarter mile. This wasn't just a car. It was a no-holds-barred statement, a final, screaming love letter to internal combustion before the world went quiet. Let's get straight to the numbers because they're just nuts. On regular pump gas, the Supercharged HEMI V8 makes 808 horsepower. But for just $1, buyers got the legendary Demon crate. This box of forbidden fruit included skinny front wheels for the drag strip and a new powertrain module. Feed the Demon 100-octane race fuel, press a button on the dash, and you unleash the full 840 horsepower. The result? A 0 to 60 time of 2.3 seconds. That's faster than a Bugatti Chiron. It pulls 1.8 G acceleration off the line, enough to literally make you see stars. But the Demon's true church is the drag strip. It blitzed the quarter mile in a certified 9.65 seconds at 140 miles per hour. This performance was so biblical that the NHRA immediately banned it from competition. Why? Because any car running that fast is required to have a certified roll cage, and the Demon didn't have one from the factory. Dodge had built a production car that was too fast for organized racing. Talk about a badge of honor. So, how did they pull off this miracle? The devil is in the details. It featured a colossal 2.7-liter supercharger, bigger than some entire car engines, shoving air into the V8 at 14.5 psi. To keep that beast from overheating, Dodge invented the SRT Power Chiller, a world first for a production car. The Demon also introduced the first ever factory trans brake, a feature straight from the pro drag racing world. It locks the transmission, letting the driver rev the engine. Release the paddle shifter, and the car launches with the force of a trebuchet. This is the key to its most famous party trick. It was the first production car ever to lift its front wheels off the ground during launch, setting a Guinness World Record. To achieve these times, it went on a radical diet. It came standard with only the driver's seat. The passenger seat was a $1 option. The rear seats, another $1. Dodge ripped out over 200 pounds. They removed sound deadening, carpeting, and speakers. This wasn't about comfort. It was about the physics of acceleration. The Demon's design is pure intimidation. The massive air grabber hood scoop is the largest on any production car. The wide-body flares are there for one reason: to house those colossal rear tires. With only 3,300 units built, it was an instant collector's item. It is the undisputed king of the stoplight, a monument to American muscle. The Dodge Demon is more than a car. It's a piece of history. Share and follow Extreme Cars.